Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have cold, day-old rice ready. This is crucial for the best texture. You'll also need your choice of protein, like chicken or shrimp, and a mix of fresh vegetables such as peas, carrots, and green onions. Don't forget the essential sauces like soy sauce and sesame oil for that authentic flavor profile. Before you start cooking, proper preparation is key. Dice your chosen protein and vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. Whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, setting them aside. Make sure your cold rice is completely separated, as clumps will prevent a good stir-fry. Having all your sauces pre-measured will make the frying process smooth and efficient. Now for the exciting part, the frying. Heat a large wok or pan over high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Quickly scramble your eggs, then remove them. Next, stir-fry your protein until it's cooked through, followed by harder vegetables like carrots. Add the day-old rice, breaking up any remaining clumps, and incorporate softer vegetables such as peas and green onions. Keep everything moving to prevent sticking and achieve that perfect fried texture. To finish your fried rice, push all the ingredients to one side of the wok. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the empty space, then pour in your soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil. Quickly toss everything together, ensuring every grain of rice and every ingredient is coated in the flavorful sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serve your perfectly cooked fried rice immediately, enjoying the wonderful aroma and taste you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.